किसी को आपका फोन चेक करने देंगे?
Hidden.
No. No. No.
What I'm seeing.
Welcome to Phone Swap. It's a super awkward dating show.
My God.
Hey there.
Hi. Bro,
Vivek.
this side. Vivek.
Nice to
Lovely meeting you. Wow. Thank God. He is presentable. He is good looking. And what's your profession? I'm very excited
Guess.
to know everything.
Take a wild guess.
You into fitness?
Okay, I'm a personal trainer by profession. Fitness
I
trainer.
told you.
You guessed it right. Obviously, थोड़ी मुझे टांग खींचनी पड़ती है ना.
Hey, don't touch me like that.
This date is going very exciting. Usually girls fall for my looks and my body. But this time I'm hoping that I find a connection which is just a little more beyond that. What are you seeking?
I'm seeking for a very serious relationship.
Now, the moment of truth. We
ये जो देखने वाली है उसके बाद ये भाग जाएगी.
Okay.
That is killer.
I'm not comfortable giving my phone because उसमें मेरी pictures हैं. Very hot pictures.
After snooping through their phones, these two will get to decide if they actually want a second date.
Let's go to pictures. Ooh la la. That's a hot picture.
Thank you.
He's got a Lambo. I hope I could get a drive.
Shut up.
Ooh la la. Some hot ass bikini pictures.
Despo.
Let's jump to your Instagram. Because it's summer somewhere. Ooh, why is it summer somewhere? It's summer right here, dude. Listen, I'm gonna help you make better captions. कोई private account है क्या? Jyoti. Who is this? Is this your private account or is this mommy's account?
My mommy is not
Damn, your mom's hot, dude.
अरे मैं हुई है.
Okay, ये तू ही है. ज्योति के नाम से. Now we're talking. Derma refined. Is this what I'm thinking? What are you getting done, Ruth?
You can see na laser hair reduction.
Lip fillers, Ruth.
I wanted to get it done. She told me you have already good lips.
मेरे already lip filler हुए हैं. See, I guessed that right. Let's go to her orders. Oh, laddu. मोती चूर के लड्डू. Nutella factory waffle and Oreo waffle. दो waffle मंगाए जा रहे हैं. किसके लिए, Ruth? Don't tell me it's for you. I don't think so. So yeah, I would like to meet and speak to her.
सबसे पहले डेटिंग एप्स ढूंढते हैं. बम्बल मिल गया विवेक. प्रोफाइल पिक्चर देख के मैं इसको स्वाइप राइट कर देती यार.
Thank you.
इंस्टाग्राम देखने वाली हूँ. सिर्फ 9 पोस्ट हैं.
She's opened my private account.
Really? Let's get into his DMs.
Yeah, you're not gonna find anything here.
पहला मैसेज अभी अनसीन है, वो है हर्षा.
Where does the mind?
फिर स्टोरी पे भी पोस्ट किया है. Stop blushing. चलो, he is hitting on this girl. Sakshi. And she called him Viv.
Okay, don't. This is like invading privacy.
She is something very fishy in his life. मेरे को Instagram पे इसको देखकर ना यकीन नहीं हो रहा यार कि मतलब ये इसका रियल अकाउंट है. Oh,
There she goes.
what is this?
Oh my god. She's so bad with tech, bro. She does not know.
Finally विवेक की एक्चुअल प्रोफाइल खुल गई है. मैं मुझे डीएम्स में जाना है. अच्छा, साक्षी का इधर भी चैट है. ओके, I'll be holding my hot boo besides me. ये इसकी गर्लफ्रेंड है. फिर समझ गई.
Girlfriend? Not anymore. But yeah.
The next girl is एक वॉइस नोट भी है.
Yo, need some hookup with oil.
What? I don't need this guy.
He does not know what I'm talking about.
आज भेजा इसने किसी को. He's so despo.
I love the way she's judging.
I think अब मैं गैलरी में चलती हूँ.
Holy
Hidden.
No.
Oof. Oof.
No.
What I'm seeing.
Come on, you can't show other girls. This is stupid.
What I'm seeing, God. Jesus Christ. चलो, एक question है. Who is Sakshi?
She's my ex-girlfriend who I was with for 2.5 years. So yeah, that's that.
You know, I've seen some pictures. Hidden.
Yes.
So I made that account.
So, do they want a second date? It's time to trade back phones and find out.
वैसे he's a nice guy, but थोड़ा सा intellectual level मुझे नहीं लगा उसके साथ मैच होता हुआ.
She said yes. because there are similarities between us.
And second is like I have thought about this कि आप अभी जो confront ये सब phone वोन check किया है, इसके बाद आप कैसे handle करोगे situation को? And on that basis, I loved you.
I appreciate that.
Thank you. No. Just
No,
kidding.
that's what you get.
So he said, yes. I think she's humble and of course meet all the baby animals at her NGOs. Oh, that's so sweet.